Hi, this is from Source University. This is a job opening for technology Oracle database engineer L2. The company ASPL for services. The location is Bangalore. The overall experience must be 4+ years. The work location will be Bangalore. And must have experience is 4+ years and hands-on production experience working on Oracle database. Expert knowledge of Oracle database, Oracle RAC, and Oracle ASM and data ground and backup and recovery, etc. The second technology is Oracle Database Administrator for the company Jobs of Humanity. The location is Bangalore. The education required is bachelor's degree. They are looking for 5+ years of experience candidate with the location Mumbai and Bangalore. The third technology is Oracle DBA. The Atos Global IT Solution and Services Private Limited. The location is Chennai. The experience need is 8+ years, and the knowledge about Sybase database administration along with Oracle DBA will be preferred. Installing and configuring of Oracle services, creation of database and maintaining schema generation scripts, and creating primary database storage structure, and the other descriptions are given below. And fourth technology is Oracle DBA Administrator for the company Oracle. The location is Chennai. They are looking for, as a member of support organization, you should focus on delivery post sales, support and solution to the Oracle's customer base while serving as an advocate for the customer need. And the fifth technology is Oracle Database Administrator for the company Tata Consultant Services. The location will be Chennai. The experience need is 6 to 10 years and must have experience around 7+ years experience in database design and clear understanding of implication and the impact of the organization and the operation of IT. Links will be given in the video descriptions. You can apply that for these jobs. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.